Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can basically add in like these like question prompts on TikTok, like on your videos or on your photos. So add in your photo or videos, select next. Then you are going to go to the right here, and as you can see there is an add yours section. You're going to select that and you're going to write a prompt. Maybe for mine was like a photo of your pet. Select done and you can like place it anywhere basically. Maybe on the left. Select next, and once you posted it, like people can use your prompt to post photos or videos of their pets. And that is it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.